Watch them and I don't know so future families I represent for teach them, you know. So when Hong Kong me born and a China, me live a teach them originate the movie business, interview business. Watch them and they don't know the thing go. Future families I represent for teach them, but the message reach them. Teach them. Bless. You don't know. Man.
I am here vibing with a man who has experienced life at the top and at the bottom of the roller coaster that we call dancehall music. He has amassed a considerable catalogue of hits down the years. His parents named him Warren Williams, but we know him as
Future Fambo. Future Troubles. You don't know.
From Bizzle.
True.
All is well, sir?
Yes, there.
Art I love, man. As a Williams, big up yourself, sir. As a Fenton man, big up yourself, sir. Mad thing, man. So you say all is well, bro?
Most things, you know, because once we have life, everything is great, you know.
Mad thing, man.
I'm drinking rum and Red Bull. Teach them program must fall. Teach them, I don't know the thing. Girl, them come on me yard, you see there? Remember, broke fight. Mad. Papi's murder. Papi's murder. Brand new dance is how I murder. Let me see everybody here do the Papi's murder. So teach them. Teach them.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Yes, Papa, we're there, man.
Yeah, man. The man looking young, sir. Be a big man.
I try.
From them time till now, yeah, try.
From them time till now, Papa.
Yeah, do well, man. Yeah, do well. Talk to us though, bro. Early life, place of birth.
You know, say born at Senton, Partown, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Where Partown really come from.
Yeah.
You know, which rest there. So, now I want to village named Partown.
You know Partown very well, man.
So you have Partown, Pimento Walk,
Yeah.
Snow Hill, and Sharp Park.
Ah. We know that whole circle there, man.
Mm-hmm.
We'd have a girl on a spring piece run a pimento walk one night time.
Man, so, get trouble, you know.
We don't get in that trouble, man. We know the edge there. We know the edge there. So, Paritown, where the man born and grow.
There's some born and grow, Papa.
How many brothers and sisters?
Well, you know, say, one of them have about 3 brothers. I have about 2 sisters.
Mm-hmm.
But one of my brother live in the States. And one of my sister live in the States, and the rest of them are from Jamaica.
All of them still alive, though?
Yeah,
man, it's a blessing, that man. Mommy and daddy still around?
No, my father not here.
And the old man Chadan.
Soul, you know?
My condolences.
True.
But the old lady still.
Yeah, she does sent on there.
I fight a good fight.
I tell you.
Yeah, man, we're glad to hear that, man. Schooling, what the man attend school?
Well, I got Ocho primary, and then I got Ocho secondary. Because I never, when time we left secondary school, you never get.
I never watch I yet.
So it was Ocho secondary, become Ocho
Aye, yeah, man, definitely. So you grew up in Ocho really and truly, because Paritown just up on the hill up there, so.
Yeah, walk.
Yeah, man, me can imagine that, man.
School,
So growing up in Paritown back then, bro, what was it like financially?
Yeah, man, everything good because my father is do farm work, you know.
Okay, cool, man.
Yeah. And you know, my brother work on the ship, so.
Food was on the table, man.
Yeah, man, food up on the table.
Clothes was on the back, shoes on the feet. It's a blessing that, bro, man.
What I just say, it the average
It did okay.
country.
Yeah, man, it did okay.
Family people. You understand?
Yeah, man, nice.
Rice and peas, my Sunday.
Yeah.
You know, during the week, you're going to get liver and kidney.
Yeah.
And cabbage, and them something in the week when it touch Sunday now.
Rice and peas.
Murder, carrot juice and bag of something.
Carrot juice and then something.
You get that during the week? Sunday that.
Yeah, man. So where along growing up there now, the music start pick at you?
Alright, so watch this now. My brother now, you know, him like by like dancehall cassette. Them time in a cassette, so Jack Ruby and Stereo Mars and them sound, so I used to listen to that. But my mother brother now is Zach Henry.
The astronauts.
The astronaut. So, he made the festival song sing, I'm a born Jamaican, I'm a son of the soil. Oh, what a sweet coconut water and white rum. Anywhere I go, Jamaica, see, I need any woman no want a man. I want a woman to jam. So he was really my inspiration. I said, boy.
Father Zach.
Mother brother this, you know. So, you know, so when the man they collect from town and come a country, breadfruit tree have to climb, ackee tree have to climb, and get the something them and give man rare.
Fix up in package.
And him touch your thing when him a left.
So he was the early musical inspiration.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, but you never started out DJing though.
No, I was in one dance group named Crazy Boy.
Crazy Boys.
That's how so Roof Club now, at the club with President Brown, Professor Frixie, Jigsy King,
Tony Curtis.
Tony Curtis, Diplomat.
What's your one string?
Who tell you? You know the thing I studied yesterday? What is?
That's what I want. I think Mickey Simpson.
My the man. What can I live for Mickey Simpson?
R.I.P.
Yes, man, I tell you.
So you started going around Roof as a dancer, as a DJ though?
No, I start because I cool thing rough, you know. So when I grew up named Crazy Boy, so
Okay.
one time now, I can Joe there the gate, so they let we know and we go up down with dance and so by the time, you know, you are dancing, all that dance, yeah, dance. So when you know, sweat up, Mr. Cole, I said, I'm not to leave the club, you know.
After you don't dance?
Like when you think boiled down, you know?
Yeah.
It's like I show you really put on. And the guy kind of really want you if you disturb the tourists, them and because it's all about tourists and they have a talent show.
Right.
So from the dance group, we got enter in the DJ contest when we used to have every Thursday night, every 3 weeks, and then you win a prize. Them time I don't know about $7,000, $5,000.
Oh yeah?
They don't think I $7,000, $5,000. $5,000 was big money them time. 1991, 92, 93, 94. Because 94 on both, so we started.
Right.
Or 92.
How many you were in Crazy Boys? 4 of you?
Yeah, cut short in name Tamba.
Tamba?
Tamba,
I don't know Tamba, man.
And Nerves, Scene, and then Benji, and Plucky. I'm a Ninja already? Yeah. So me, Nerves,
Tamba.
Plucky and Cut. Yeah.
That about 5 hours, man.
But I was really 4.
So the main group of 4?
Yeah, but
okay.
he never next you when he never knew gent. He could have danced. Okay, but he never in the group. Film thing I like more like a freestyle or something.
Okay.
The film thing now I like we got the beach and we rehearse.
Choreography type of vibes.
Yeah. But them time you never have to pay if you go up on the beach and watch it. So a fisherman beach. You never have to pay.
Just walk in.
It just open and just because life was just so
simple.
Oh my God, life was just so nice them time. Eh? Yo.
But what led you to the dance thing though? Like how you reach around there, sir?
Cause I always watch MC Hammer. And I always watch Michael Jackson. I always want to be an artist still, you know.
Oh, you always wanted to be a DJ?
Yeah.
Okay.
So, but get me start dance first. Cause you know, so the rhythm in your body.
Right.
That's why you see more time you can vibe my certain rhythm because to all the rhythm and flow and then the dancing, how you dance now, it match.
Everything a blend in.
It a blend in. So that's why when you go on the stage you can really dance and perform because you used to be a dancer. You see me?
So was it bringing money in while doing the dance thing or just a dance, you have some fun?
No, I get money because sometimes we go over the hotel them, they have some smaller hotel, not the big one them, you know.
Right.
But the smaller one them they will give you like a look of money for you for, you know. You do one short dance set and then you have somebody else to come and sing some song with popular like cabaret. So it's like a show they really put on for the
it's an entertainment package.
Towards them.
So Roof, you know, say you go do no dance routine on a regular.
Yeah man, go up there and dance and murder man. A big thing I go on up there. And you can't get a spooky them time there, you know what I'm saying? Girls like it because you dance them time there and stuff. So we got Sentil that's go dance and we got Firm Coat and we got Yak Castle. You have other dance group and stuff too, you know.
Yeah man.
So not that we're the baddest dance group, but you know,
we're not doing a thing, we're not out there. So you see, even though you were dancing in the Crazy Boys group, you wanted to become a DJ.
Yes.
So you start try out fight up a Roof.
Yeah, I start practice from here because my son brother is a man where he buy the Jack Ruby cassette them and them are cassette. I mean I listen Brokeback, I mean I listen Tiger, I mean I listen Lieutenant Stitch, I mean I listen all of them and them. So I said that's something nice, you know. One beat, you know. Last time I have a sound here, Tommy Fanick and Turbocharge. Them sound they run center. So
you were actually working out on any of the sounds?
After a while.
Okay.
You start getting to it. Because you have other you with it there. where big star like Liquid Era and Diplomat, Tony Curtis, and you know, you have Foley Dan, you have Sprague Lexus, you have a couple of people there. You know what I say? Gabby Dan, Dennis Rock, whole heap of people. And Gabby Dan and Dennis Rock them come from Montego Bay State.
Oh, okay.
Bad.
So you enter the roof competition.
The roof competition.
Talk to me through that.
So we enter with a song we say, you say me stronger than Monkey King Kong never make it. The song I couldn't win with it. Kind of have this something.
You don't have the something.
So they say, yo, I have to go find. Then you have a youth in a Lushy Bantan too, you know, and next one you come from Clarendon or something. I mean, exactly. They went on a merciless name, Sugar Demus. He never named merciless yet.
Right.
So, I enter now, because one night they write my name on the paper. But they have a rapper named MC Trouble. So I just say, remember for the movie watch Back to the Future or Coming to the Future. One of them. I just come up with the Future Troubles.
So you name yourself?
I mean name myself. I write the Future Troubles by the paper. So, Mr. Cole, I expect coming. You're a dancer, I don't know you're no artist.
And a DJ.
So they call me now, I go out there and rave. And then I laugh and I sit there. So I DJ the song, but nah work, you know. I say, Lord God Almighty, how am I going to do this now? I have to find one song where I score with the people. Them. So, say one day, I left from Upper Roof International Studio and stopped. You have Neville Dread where you used to write the song. I sell clocks and them stuff there. See? And one Chinese restaurant across the road. There one brother would sell video cassette. What do I call it? Bless have a
VCR.
A VCR them time there. You understand? You know them time, sometimes you have a TV there, you have a lick your size up. It a run across the screen, so you have to, and bam it on it.
If you balance you out,
everybody must go through all them TV there. So, this I know we go rent the VCR. You know,
you have the cassette.
So, we rent it now and the movie is a karate show. So this brother now is a karate expert, but the boss daughter now, I got America. So the boss said, my bodyguard, my daughter, when she died America, and he had the karate expert to take care of her, make sure she's alright and rare. You understand? So him there now, and there, but the girl actually like him. Like my bodyguard her.
But she like it.
But she like it, cause I don't feel him job that you can't like the boss. Why you do? You're mad man. You understand? That's not your job. So
your job that
no, your job is to watch her or watch TV. You understand?
Yeah,
right. Stay with her. So him know that. And she do some boom and him did there and watch her. So she end up draw him out on the dance floor. And the weirdest thing I cannot remember the name of the movie because it's so long.
Oh, you don't remember
so
the name.
So she draw him out on the dance floor and him go out there now and he cannot dance, but remember I said the boss wife, so she go out party and the boss daughter, she go out and party, so she know the moves them. But him can't dance. So she dance, she depend, so him depend now.
Kung Fu movie.
I said, with the blousers, like this, the Kung Fu dance. The Kung Fu dance. So it lick me in my head now. And I say, someone I knew. For life, we troubles and dancing Kung Fu. Man, I do it in a Passy girl, I do it in a cruise. I have a background out there. I have a river named Bogue River. So if Bogue River now, as if we lock off Bogue River and I catch shrimp and crayfish and something there. The people that went down at Duns River, and come up and tell me, say, oi.
Turn out the water.
I want to lift up then something out of the river. I know we draw something and
yeah,
block it
out.
So the water get lower. So we can dig out the crayfish them and stuff there. But I see, I find the song, Hiya Ho. But the part now we say, Hiya, that never in it. Coming on the old man build a song, say, Hiya. So what she's doing now? We got a roof one night now at the contest. So this went time, then put a, remember when so record a spinning time, they have to spray with the water.
Right.
They take care of our speed up. So one time they say, on stage, Future Troubles, I go out there. You know, I already know I'm coming in. It's last week, so I end up and I say, fast already. Who this one now? And I said, because of this song. So I go to the studio now. I tell me some calls, give me some calls. So there was some calls. I go carry you guys to the Fambo. You hear me? You know, call me Future. I say, Future. You say, Future. I go carry you guys to the And I say, what? Then I tell him, I call the guys to the
You must have chop.
in a van back. Look, in a van back, let's down. You want the picture I take with Jinx and Tony Kurtz and everyone that's either someone I say, come out of the picture. In the picture, we take one with you. we take one with you. Because you want everything.
Yeah, man.
You just push up, you want bust. You want to get popular, you want to get famous, you want to be known. Just push up.
So hold on, you actually win the competition?
After a while.
After a while?
Because there were other artists in it who were
Okay.
like talented too. So you're not the only talented person. Like, no, don't ever you think like you are the only talented person. Some people from Clarendon, some from Mobile. You understand?
Chopping.
Some from St. Mary. What? But I guess, like, Chumi come from Ochi now, and I Ochi take some in my zone.
In your zone,
You
man.
understand? And people know me a dancer, so is that good?
You have a look at thing I go on.
Upgrade for me.
Yeah, man.
You understand? Yeah, man. Win the contest now. Win the contest. Then Mr. Cole, he said my vice man, but he left and go up on tour, the man Jigsy and Tony Curtis. Dance butterfly, Teddy. Till you catch the brand new. And the murder song, butterfly, dancing up the olden place. So, when Cole come back, I got to do the dub plate for Bass Odyssey.
Oh.
For my virgin, my name's Squingy.
Squingy.
So Squingy, my bonfire virgin. That's Steertown. So, and them have talent show at Steertown to on a different from roof, you know.
Oh,
So,
okay.
I got the one at Steertown.
Steertown.
But you the one at
Roof a bigger
a roof
something.
not bigger something. So when you go there, it's like a semi-star. It's like a semi-star. Because the talent show, they kind of look bigger.
Yeah, man.
So, we go there, so the one. DJ and Ray. Because them have the Steertown artists, them bad. A nigga Mikey run Steertown.
Yeah, nigga Mikey plays that.
And Deli Melody, and them run the Steertown. Them are the man down there. You can't go down and go say nothing. So what is now? Squinch himself a vice, he don't play it for him. Them time that Pepper see they run place. I'm going to go vice. So enough people feel the actual song vice, Pam Pepper Seed. The actual song no vice, Pam Pepper Seed.
Right.
It's a dub plate. But the Pepper Seed really was so popular.
You drop it on it.
So you know, so when Courtney Cole come back from find them, say,
Fambo boss.
Hot. No,
Troubles boss.
Hot.
Yeah, hot.
But I say, him have a band in talent show, you know, so can't go studio. I'm telling you now, so Penthouse.
Penthouse.
Penthouse at the studio. Buju down there. Beanie Man them down there. Terry Gansey down there. Barry Sam and them down there.
We any one of them?
But I don't really get to see them, man.
Oh, okay.
Courtney get like Thursday night.
Oh, it was. Oh, yeah.
In
Yeah.
the night him get, so you know, so the big guy.
Big gang gone already.
But I end up going to go see
Goofy.
what you know?
He tell me. He tell me
Yeah,
what.
man, so I go there and Courtney say, you Courtney now? I play some ready, man. And when I want to fit it, we go vice something on it. No. And I get to play a second already.
First we didn't play a guy. You want it, bro.
I want to bust that dog. Man. I want to bust that dog. Them time they just might do. Them time they orange juice and a cornbread and a piece of cheese. Yeah, good. But them time they then cornbread when them yam then cornbread them time.
Wall you.
I would. I'm dropping hair busy, man.
Yeah.
Yo, them time they
So
yeah, eat fried chicken and rice and beans. That's done.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So
First redeem Japan.
first for them, my growing up. But here when I reach around now, hear me now? So my voice song now, ready. Hear me now? To be so cool. What am I say? Everybody was Kung Fu fight. That's how we call it. No, sir. You know why you bought no Kung Fu fight? Then I saw the song go. See part where I say, hiya, and then hiya, oh. Very, that. One take, you know.
One go.
Hungry.
You're the hungry.
Yeah, because I know the song by heart. You understand? Because I sing it on the talent show. So I know it now. So if you go around and I want to drop it now, And them time there, not that you couldn't stop and take, but that's not really.
One go man them time.
Yeah. Because you practice on the dub plate something on the roof too. You know?
Okay.
Because when dub plate around and start, you can't stop you and pick up.
Mash up a man plate, brother.
Oh, you know about dub plate. You know about dub plate, man.
One go.
One go.
Goofy see after your voice, you know, but I want a voice. He afraid.
I think he didn't voice. Mr. Cole voice.
He voice afterward, but I say, he
Mr.
never.
Cole voice in power already, man. Mr. Cole rough. Then time they were rough for voice in time, you know. But the first person my voice for was Barry O'Year still. You know?
Barry O'Year?
Yes.
Okay.
See, the engineer for roof, Grove.
Grove, right.
Yeah. See? And then the second person my voice for was Kester Brown, new name. Before my voice,
So hold on, your voice 2 times. So Penthouse wasn't your first
No.
thing?
No.
Official recording.
No.
So talk to me about Barry first. What your voice, Barry?
Badness. A total madness. Without going in your one of your life, you are risk you badness. A total madness because President Brown, I teacher. And President Brown and Barry O'Year artist.
Okay.
So you know, say, we vibe with Brown. Brown in general. So I say, yeah, man, look at you now, Ray. I first really came up on Reggae Bash with the SFRI and Ray. And he have a theme show and he called me out and come out and sing the karate song.
We still get to Reggae Bash, man. So Barry, so that song was released? The Badness song?
Badness, a total madness.
And what your voice on your name?
Them a impersonate bad man, but they living in a them own imagination. Government may call your preparation. If you live above the law, you're not go last long. Them have bad man clothes and wicked man pose. You live above the law, you get a return a rose. All these lyrics was right and composed. If you're this bad man, you get beaten with hose. Them a impersonate bad man murder. You have to do something to know. Audition, you know.
You have to audition?
Yeah, because this, you know, a Chuckaberry came, they said that a Chuckaberry one youth from State Town. Yeah, Chuckaberry one big voice artist. So a Kester Brown artist. So me a power with him too. Some power with President Brown, power with them and
okay.
I want to make it.
Yeah, look it.
So me a jump around.
So none of them tuning never take off?
No, Impersonate Bad Man a good song.
Right, that me I say like.
Yeah, but it never take off.
It never take off.
Yeah, good.
It good, a good tune, man.
Good tune.
So Kung Fu was a tune now. I come kick down your door, brother.
Drive you crazy.
Yeah, man. 1994.
1994. Boss. Mad.
Future Troubles, Bossa Road.
Mad. Mad. All right. So I'm 50 and also. Why I sound when I was 21, 22. I was pretty young. So, for the weight, when I hit song them time, the old song were like how you see Skinny Hot.
Right.
Your head not good. Or I jump in that pool too.
Yeah, they're easy to man.
Yo. Yeah, because if you be a superstar, I'm a number one song, you know. It's something that it will drive you crazy. As I hear Chris Fisher was saying, you can't handle success. It's not a normal stuff. For you have one of the most popular songs in the island.
As a young man.
Madness, man. Yeah.
So like some struggles came about because of the new phone stardom.
Yeah, man, it mess you up.
Did it mess you up?
It changed you.
It changed you.
It changed you because you're not that hungry boy again. But it's like it's something new to you. It's like somebody fall in love and they never have love before. So you don't know if you do it. You don't know if you cheat. You understand?
Yeah, well.
So all of a sudden now, you have to interview, you have to fly.
Stage shows about the place.
Yeah.
Girls am running now.
But we never gonna pre it. We never gonna do like what them ask nowadays.
Pre the money.
Pre the money. We just do it because we love it. You understand? So I'm not gonna tell them and say, oh, Mr. Cole rob me and do that. Mr. Cole job was supposed to be out there. Our job was to see that your finances are dealing with proper like. That's why your mother said go to school, you understand? So you don't know how to balance
right.
your finance and stuff. So It was crazy though. It was crazy. To be popular.
So you were actually signed to Roof International?
I think so, you know.
I think so.
Yeah, because I've been nothing call them have a sign a paper. I have for me artist. How we both here?
Right.
Never really sign a paper.
Yeah, before we go any further, I beg a couple bars out of that tune, man.
This one?
Yeah, man, Kung Fu.
Aya. Oh, this a one new for la future troubles and dance Kung Fu. Man, I do it in a passy girl, I do it in a crew. It's not hard, it's easy if you do. Girl kick 3 times like your name John Lou. Wine and go down like Angela Bao. Drink and junk. Make all a pose like a Charlie. Yeah. So it's all good. It's crazy.
It's crazy.
It was crazy. It's a good feeling, and it's a, you know. So I guess if being an artist is it's a double thing.
The double thing. Man from Parrytown and all, the town side, are you still there on Roof for a while? Even before that, 1994, I think, Jack Radix and President Brown call you on Reggae Bash,
Yes.
White River. Shell.
Just go sing one song.
One song.
Me young and jump all over the place. I spring like a
Tiger vibes.
Tiger the boss.
And Kilperton vibes.
He was the boss. But I was more the Tiger, my G.
Tiger. That energy there.
Tiger, I like him song, I like him style, I like everything about him.
Reggae Bash, Tune Their Road. That was your first big stage show.
Yes.
Shell.
One song.
One song.
And then it start rolling. Then the song take off. Once Mighty Mike played the song and Gary G and Big A.
It was Grove at the time, or did we turn to Ariat? It turned Ariat?
Yeah, man, it was
Grove at the time,
same way. To IRFM.
Okay.
So Grove is the studio.
Right.
IRFM is the
radio station.
Radio station. So
the next song after that was China Me Live. China Me Live.
Yeah.
That wasn't the follow-up song?
That was the follow-up.
Panicarderi.
Yeah, that was the follow-up. That was the follow-up.
Big song again, brother.
Big song again.
As a matter of fact, it's a more polished song than Kung Fu, really.
Yeah, it more put together.
Yeah, man.
It more put together.
Stone Love. Weepo.
No, Vibes, it's Shocking Vibes.
Shocking Vibes?
Yeah, cool have a cut rhythm to it now.
Have a Carderai.
Weepo now. And Weepo go get Patrick and cut off it now. So the rhythm.
I don't know say a Shocking Vibes a voice that you would for.
Yeah,
man. So you say Weepo your voice that you would for, bro.
Shocking Vibes. Hong Kong me born and a China me live. I mean, you originate the karate business. Some boy you go like them inquisitive, put on me black belt and face get damaged. I go and blow them fuse, get them confused. Far enough for them who want step in on me shoes. Don't wonder how me headline the news. Me no rob, me no grab, me no take people back. Experimenting on me musical lab. Come up with a style where the pirate one grab. Just back, step back, leave it alone. When no dogs are invited, we don't provide no bone.
Mad. You have another song on the Carderai. Galatech.
Yeah. Man, if a girl take your man, no worry and fret. Laugh after her a second and man she take. A girl take your man, a matter of time. So she take them and a new man, some girl a whole take her.
You need a fire, bro.
Yeah, man. You need a fire, but at those times, we never was preying the business. We never do music business.
You just had the music.
We just had the music.
So it sound like you not benefit financially from none of them songs.
You benefit financial by dub plates.
Dub plates.
Your publishing. But my stuff wasn't structured away. Like where, you know, like, yes, it's crazy. Yo, that's it, dog. What do you want to talk about it?
Talk about it, brother. That look
I'm gonna cry. No, sir. One thing, Buju Bantan said, Fambo, the American next man see you crying. Yeah. You see me? But
yeah,
the pain. But it's just, he was so young and he was exposed to so much. I never get the chance for what do I call it? Structure.
You think properly.
Structure your thing properly. Because you have an artist come right now today, and him boss him over one song.
I'm rich.
Him rich. The man have a whole heap of song down the line, but us, because Courtney Cole did manage me.
Mm-hmm.
Then when Courtney Cole not start managing me now, then they have like, say me have Jody them manage me.
Oh, Jody.
Yeah, Jody Dixon. She a good manager too. You understand? Then we have link with Andrew Powell, Kevin Dixon, enough of them go through one. But the thing, because the thing was just never structured. And then so like, through me do it so much time, you feel like you would do it again.
And again.
And again. It's not like that. It's not like that. You understand? Not because you have it good today. It's not like a video camera like where you set up so now and I'm on record it. No, you gotta sing a song that people likes. It's still where you will detriment because you gotta give the people an interview that people likes too. Right?
Right.
So but the voice each song is more technical.
It is more technical.
It's crazy.
Everybody's a million times and people that listen to it.
Oh my God, it's crazy. That's so much money, you know.
It's too mad, yeah.
You keep on recording, and you now get a hit song. And one madman just come and just say, I'm in and go live up and I'm gone. Joke, you better jump in and go too. Got something down there.
Was this the time though that, because truth is that when you burst onto the scene, we say you have songs that follow songs. And whilst you say you benefited from dub plate, you did make some money.
Yeah. But then 2 years I'm on now. And free.
And free.
Yeah, and free. I give people money all the while. And I was just young, living with my mom, so I no bill if it pay.
And a responsibility. I never thought of you too.
You mad? Somebody never gonna tell me this before you see.
So,
yo.
The money did that come and as it come and go? Easy come, easy go?
Yeah, because you spend it because you understand. And then, oh man, it's crazy. I keep on saying that, right?
So this was a time that, cause there was a time in your life that you got stone broke.
Whoa. Stone broke me, a stone alone in your pocket.
That even stone in your pocket.
Oh my God. It's crazy. It's crazy. But me know God have a calling for me. Maybe not dead a long time. I don't know me that live this at 50.
Yeah.
And I feel like, because after doing so much hits and you're rare and it's crazy. Madman, I know Kingston, them out of Irish part.
You were on the streets.
You never. But I'm saying that's it, that drive you.
Oh. They have to check us. When they say that,
Turn it a madman, man. That would happen, but, like, if you have it harder, you lose it, What's worse when I was young? When I was younger.
And there was a time when, in order to survive, you did start hustle dub plates.
What tell you? That big bunty and being them dub plate a week. Yeah, but them that good days too.
Them used to come through for you though.
Yeah, because if a man want four bunty, I beg him one. I'm a good person. Yeah. Yeah, rough on him. I always wonder why I'm dealing with people that rough, but I know because you want now. You have to deal with them rough because you can't make them come yam out everything and then at the end of the day you don't have nothing left because hey, I'm a nice guy. Nice guy. Sorry.
Nah man, we fix that.
Nice guy.
Be yourself, man.
Nice guy don't work in this bullshit. Never be a nice guy.
You have to have a rough edge.
Right through. The edge and the front and the everywhere. Not just the edge alone. You can't, it's not handout stuff.
Right.
Because musician is a crazy world. How do you come up with a song that everybody likes and they sing it? So when you get that money, because you're a real musician, all you got is your publishing. You don't work a Grace, D&G, or Grace, so you know you're going to get a pension. Ain't no pension, damn dog. Ain't no pension for you. Your pension is your publishing. And the pension is what you save. If anything more otherwise than music, is what you save. Yeah, man, you buy some big chain and you buy some watch and you buy some clothes. You can't sell them back. You understand? But he's a man, he's a Taurus, you know, born 24th of April, so I don't mind starting over. You understand? And I don't blame nobody.
Yeah, I've started over a few times over family.
Yeah,
So.
but like 5, 6 times.
Yeah, we
I'm still there.
you're still there.
Yes,
Yeah, we're going to talk about some of the early song then before we take on the thing. Killer Sound Boy with Killer.
Yeah, man.
Stalag.
Yeah, come and have a song on here. Love, lover, lover, girl, lover, lover. So there's a quarter rhythm. So it's switch it around now. And do the kill, killer sound, killer sound. But then time when I come up with the opera something, because I book on here, they have the opera something.
Right.
Some of the Steve have a little piece side. So love, lover, lover, girl. And you know you are the man, them lover. And your face not off like pot cover. Mad.
That was the next hit song in the journey.
Yes, sir. And then somebody do
The combination with Killer.
yeah, after the same song.
Right.
The sound way. And
Hit again.
eat food after it.
Can imagine.
It's a hit. It's
But dub plate,
big
tune.
dub plate song.
Can you imagine? A Killer Sound, man.
Yeah, man, killer sound. They can't go around that.
Yes.
And the Staggerlock radio.
Staggerlock, right.
But yeah, man, so Basil Rodney Price, a good youth.
Yes.
I'm a G. Rate him. Yeah, man.
And Beanie Man used to
Beat him, I'm a G too. Beat him, I'm a G.
help out the situation too.
Yeah, man, I'm a G that too.
You and
I like artists them. The artists never really tell me, say,
show your bad face.
you know what I'm saying? So, I guess it's because too, it's a good way to do it, you know. Because other artists, them grown up, they know, say, yo, when a man did act, you know, help be people.
Was a good youth.
What? We make our arrows, and we get 20 dub plate. 9 are free. We give so a man can go a country, can go give one sound, a man to go be. Them time that
food.
At that.
Ah, that.
Yeah, that is not.
You can say, yeah, man.
Yeah. Some more time I can write all the name on the car. I can't check it, you know. Like me tell you, say, I have a 2 song them.
Yeah.
I'm just write on the name of the person. Like somebody write on Bounty Killer and Beanie Man.
Right.
I not do it, you know. But I'm going to say, right, Bounty and Beanie Man, depending on that. And I give you, and when they play, hear you to me. Oh, I'm not hear the song, then I say, you put it near a speaker, because I sang, you have to go near a speaker and do that. I say, yeah, man, that's how I take it off like that.
Yeah, you hear that. One Life to Live. Maniac Rhythm. Featuring Trevor Daly.
Yeah, I approached the producer. She's a maniac for sure. She's dancing like, same rhythm. I've got one life to live. That's how Urge is.
Yeah, Maniac Rhythm, man.
Pat a goal.
Good tune that was in the streets again, brother.
A good tune. It wasn't a hit song.
Right.
But it was a good song for play.
Masculine Gender.
Yeah, how much is that? Bulby.
Bulby.
Most Bulby. Colin York. Fat Eyes.
Fat Eyes.
Fat Eyes record. And what pass song do you now?
A whole pass again, though.
Whole pass
Man, so just a time was so I sang there, you know. Them boy, girl.
I remember them boy girl send come call me, say if me was a car, them would have hauled me. If me was a can't remember that. Somebody send for dub play some time, I send for that song there.
Yeah, I forgot to listen to them back.
Listen what man, just DJ some
Yeah, just
Just want me my book and then talk somebody.
Yeah, that's what I'm
and the girl them a call me, you me send me an answer. When me tell them say you know response, nothing of it. So you listen my song, a regular man then call back and say, you know remember? I can't remember that.
Fambo say just DJ some things okay that because.
Yeah,
You see
man.
them about you.
So like one time on Japanese said to Ronald, he want a song from Ronald and Ronald. I said, I don't remember the lyrics. I said, let's do a beat and do sting, dig it, bin, bam, ding, then. If you don't remember that, give them some style.
Give them a beat, man.
Yeah, or Ja, you know what I say? Because him say, like, you know, a prophet can't jump off a rhythm.
Right.
Hey boy, oh hey, so you can't jump off a rhythm. I'm left from Jamaica go. Murder. Oh my God. Busy sweet one.
Busy sweet.
Yeah, when you're hot, you're the man. It's when you're cold, the dog never suffer. Dog never suffer. I tell you, nobody does serve for entertainer.
Nobody does serve for entertainer.
Me, most of all, I don't think people really like me. They like the songs you sing.
Why would people not like Warren Williams though.
Yeah, people not busy who you is. It's a song them busy, but me not go dance to Warren Williams at the party. I'm going
Right.
to dance to the song that you sing. So basically, you understand? I hear some people like people are not really you people like teach them the so that is the star, but your real name now, they don't really
They
know.
don't like.
Yeah. Are people that like Future Troubles, but they don't know
They don't
Warren
like
Williams.
Warren Williams.
They don't know Warren Williams. Who's Warren Williams?
Nobody.
Warren Williams is the man. Because Future Troubles can't go through no airport. You name in a passport?
Yeah.
Your name can't go in a bank book? Can't walk in a Victoria Bush and tell about, bring up Future from my account. Nobody knows name, sir. Warren are the man.
Warren are the man.
So it's just, and then enough artists don't know if it, I don't know if I said the word, differentiate them
Separate them two
separate
things
them
there.
artist character from them real self.
Right.
So they just live in
They
the
live
one
in
thing
a
right
one
through.
thing for true.
Yeah, because the artists are the man.
So true, bro.
Artist.
You did a collab with the great John Walt, JLOS.
Yeah.
From the upper camp for them.
That's for Borough.
Borough.
Yeah, Borough that so Borough is a student of Sly and Robbie.
Oh, okay.
But boy, I can't remember them though.
You can't remember.
Remember what? Man,
Yeah.
have more than 4, 5, 6,000 records released, you know. That's not name or something, you know. Records that are released, tell you.
Well, on there. Where sell look well?
4,000, 5,000 records that are released due to me. Oh, me talk about release.
Future Fambo,
And
Future
Future
Troubles have over 4,000 released
Records.
songs.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah?
Yes, because remember I said, I'm not too right, you know.
And
There's
just
a five
meds.
man. Just vibes and then maybe lyrics them.
Four.
Yes, man. Yes, man. Yeah, man. I tell you. I joke tonight. That's something they want to show you. We can't stop it.
Yeah, man. Rangel on the capital P rhythm.
That
I really
Steely.
punani, Steely and Clevey.
Him a the man.
He tune it again, bro.
He tune out them. When them man their voice, you know that.
You hit.
Yeah, you know, must it, but yes, a good DJ.
Oh, with the voice.
No, when
There's
Steely
a
the
good
voice,
DJ.
Yeah, he's a good DJ.
Normally, them man in the voice on the 2 hits still though. I said number.
That's
I
it.
say people them where you do it for,
Yeah.
whether original or not, ownership, collectible, controlled by. You think official, bro?
In a way. So,
You
I
know,
know,
yeah.
does that
Warren
something?
Williams, Aboard Music,
Aboard
James
Music.
Lyde. Okay, bro. 4,000 songs. Wow.
Because me record for so much people too. So remember I said the name Future from Future
Troubles.
And then you call name Future from, and this is our next document and I'm publisher.
Yeah?
Sound like nothing, man.
We saw that boy publisher business. So they are wrong here now. Zane? Then
That's a Steely and Clevey.
yeah, that's a 2006, I think you did that song. On the really the Punani. Capital P rhythm.
Yes, and a friend go to jail now and can't get no bail.
Right.
Remember, a long time, you know, see no frog tail. You just a laba. You can't remember them, you
Then in 2009 now, Junkin Dance.
Left side and escort. That's when I get back at her.
That's you get back at.
That's when I get back at her.
Your boss again.
Boss again.
Left side of Esco.
Yeah, rock so. And you know, so I build the song. And got the studio and then build the rhythm. Because some artists used to do more time. You know them artists that nowadays, yeah. Oh, his song go, play rhythm. I play rhythm and then he must sing when he feel by the rhythm. No, we
Yeah,
make
build
the
the
song,
song and
then
then
go
build
to
the
the
rhythm
studio
around
and
it.
build the rhythm around it. The original way.
The right way.
You understand? Can't be too weird.
You can't do 2 years still, but them songs they tend to last longer, brother, man.
But I tell you, yeah.
Because the music built for the thing.
Build, boy.
So left side and Esco come again,
With the junkin.
with the Junkin Dance.
And that's how I change the name.
From Future Troubles to Future
Because they cover the
Fambo.
rhythm in name, them time then.
Them.
No talk where I run the
Place,
place,
done the place.
When you see your friend face to face and then you see a chair, don't shout out Fambo, shout out Fambo, shout out Fambo.
Them time they ready.
At again,
At again.
at again. What am I saying?
But yeah, because so now,
Drink out the money.
right.
The money.
So you
And
were
details.
living the Junkin,
Yeah,
the
yeah.
Junkin master type of vibe, brother. But why do Fambo? You never learned the lesson from around the Kung Fu days. Hong Kong days.
You just feel like you can't do it again.
Or you feel like you can't do
feel
it
like you can't
again.
do it because like you can't do it and you can't do it. It's not like that, Papa. It's just hope them youth now. Nowadays, really get to do them business and do the business.
I think they are learning, man.
Because the youth nowadays crazy.
They don't play with them thing.
Because back in the days when me I run the place, not say run the place, $4,000 show, $5,000, $3,000. Now man, at 20 and 50,000, $100,000 show. Wap, wap, wap.
Wap, wap, wap. Yeah.
Dun.
So Junkin dance again, put the man on him up and you say.
Yeah, I actually made the dance to, you know.
Junkin dance.
Experience from being a dancer. I've made it, give me the capability and the ability
To make it dance.
I didn't make that, never got nice capability.
No, but you go second, watch a second there.
You full of shit. Yo, I sample man still.
So
Like me still.
you like you.
Like, because I like him.
Yeah. You again, troubles, fall back in some troubles, man. Alcohol this time. Were you actually alcohol? Were you suffering from alcohol addiction, or it was a flash out the money?
It is a flash out the
It is a flash out the
money. Made
money.
up on that time when I live in a hotel star.
You live in a hotel?
Yeah, live in a hotel.
Hotel?
Yeah. An ex-popular artist live in the same hotel, but me not tell any name.
Hilton?
The wish Hilton, yeah, man. I'm a hotel right at foot, what you call it? Was still there, in that corner right there, so. You don't know it, they're right in that corner, the side. They left from the gas station and come
I know where you're at.
You can pay. Man, you get no trouble there, man. Hotspot in the hotel.
You live there?
Live there, man. Bag and everything. Bag and beer and everything.
Why?
You pay the get up now if you live, because you have money and everything, opportunity and everything. Everything turn against you and
I have pay daily?
you pay daily. But like a $2,000 a day.
Okay.
So probably I go out and make a double plate or something. And then it's crazy.
In 2010 now, I'm drinking again. But this time it's a record, Rich Back.
I got through it too. Come back here. A sample my
Roman Red Bull, featuring. And let me say featuring because one of the things I observe is that people tend to say Beanie Man featuring Fambo. But a Fambo featuring Beanie Man.
Yeah. But you is a more popular artist than he's more bigger, he's more popular. He's a giant.
Yes.
You understand? So him go and we get more of the fame.
Right.
And the popularity.
But are you conceptualize the song? It's your song.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Talk to me about that, the creation of that song there.
Alright, so me and him not talk about it one night or two. So what's now? We go check Sean isn't. I say, Sean, I can't do something, man. I can't bother with the DJ business. I mean not it. Almost song where I got voice. And it not it. So you get frustrated now. Me have to go it. I go in the studio and lie down and say play the rhythm.
One day.
When I play the rhythm now, you hear me now. I'm drinking. Stop this song.
Oh, you
I'm
never
going to
know.
advise this. I started there with a flask cranberry with ice in a glass that I like, can't find me last. Buy me one liquor, cause me have my one boss. Drink for junk that me endorse. After the flask, then me move to the quad. Tell the bartender the bill restart.
Cool.
So, and then we come up now with that. So then we call Beanie. Cause one Beanie pan already Beanie a big star, and Sean is a virgin. So Beanie come and sing, I'm okay, because me clean every day. Bam. Beanie come and sing, I'm okay. So Beanie say, well, Fambo song pan the rhythm. And I say, I think when him, I'm drinking rum and Red Bull, but that's that alone me have. I'm drinking rum and Red Bull for the hook.
So the hook never done make it?
No.
That's a verse I have.
And they see make me heart full, they want me get cry full, like they want to dance all that. I mean, the only thing me have is rum and Red Bull, and he come with the next part of the hook. But so if Sean said to him, say, Beanie say, I show you how much I sing it. I'm being the grown I stood and record it.
Oh, I'm going to voice
I'm
up.
drinking rum. This is the demo I do. For show me how to.
The project hit.
Alright. But I say I don't do my 2 verse already, you know.
Right.
I'm gonna do the part say I'm drinking already, you know. That's the pre-intro.
Right.
I'm drinking. See, I'm gonna do the verse. But I never do no hook. So the verse is already there. So only thing that I need for going now is the
Coke.
hook. So Sean said, me hear the sound, because I hear the verse I'm already. Murder.
So that's why it became a collab.
Murder. I can't lead. Hot.
Boss back.
Boss back.
Rich again.
You keep on saying that. How much time you say for that? This is about third time.
But then, you fall back in similar issues, but this time it was gambling.
Yeah, me gamble too. I will tell you. You mean, know you can dig up this. When you dig up there something, me gamble too, man. But me no,
Casino you take feet. But why though? Why?
Casino. Because you're lonely. The fuck? Ain't nobody care about you.
Fambo the
can't talk to
star.
the box. Yeah, you only can talk to the box and a cigarette. Nobody don't care about you. Nobody busy about you. But so. You know, music thing, you know, now, no, for music, I say, well, madman, a good madman, Lord, not clean clothes, you know. You go on. At least me and my story can tell my story. Someone tell a story.
That's why you think rough, bro.
It's rough in the music business, you know. There's not a better, it's not a joke, no.
Even at the height of the successes, bro. Because Rum and Red Bull, a monster song.
Monster song. But you see, you know, Sean won the Master's feet.
Oh, Sean won the master.
Then Sean Ream. Boy, you won over us.
Right.
True word. So, yeah, man. But it was never an easy road, and I never turned back. After Rum and Red Bull, I kind of situate myself away still.
You balance out.
Balance.
Look good more now.
And balance out look better.
Because
yeah.
after that, tune like Swaggin featuring Marshall and Tiffa. He tune again.
Wedding Crasher with me and
Sean Paul. For the
Go through
matrimony rhythm.
Go through again. He always come with some good song. But him just now, because some of them, if you check out them there, it's like a 10-year span before him really get back at. You know what I'm saying? And like me.
But what is what you say?
But
But after Rum and Red Bull, still you have been fairly consistent.
thank God. So I'm still there, I'm still at work. And right now, I don't have a booking agents.
How come?
Eh?
How come?
People just want to book for you when they're hot. People just want to book for you when they're hot. That's what music business is. If you think about when they're hot, you know. When they're cold, like you're dead, dog.
But I thought it's alone can't do same trouble.
You know, anybody I write a letter about a plea for zebra come out of prison. Sure, this.
I chose a runner at.
You're not hot. Like you mean hot. So people are right up, oh, let him out and he's a great person. Whatsoever.
In 2015, our next monster hit forward. Blood Clot song.
Rich again,
Rich again. How that song they come about, bro?
It was I used name Styles. He used to a little book for
Blaze
me.
Entertainment?
Yes, sir. So this lady book for me name is Violet Lawrence. She booked for me from 1994. With Yankee them, Daddy Yankee them and them stuff there. And she keeps some show and then Style was on some of the show them. So it's not like I never know him as an artist, but even the next youth he was to sing. So but I think him and the youth get a record deal and it fall through. So Styles like pull up and say, yo, I don't want to do the artist thing no more. Because he was in a group. In truth and fact. Then I said, blouse and skirt. You know, see what Fambo want to do with the chop and the dance. Because in real life and real chop, truth, Future Fambo is the first that had a hit song on a trap beat. That's Blood Clot song. That's the first trap song, like the real 808.
Right.
We release some boom, boom, boom. And had to advise a song them Mad and Bex.
Your mother vex.
Mad and Bex.
What did you do? What did you do?
You know, probably me and Big Man in some argument or something. I mean, just Bex and Ray tell her was so the blood clot and boy this week, them blood clot wrong. We take away your blood clot, girl, and take off our blood. And I the style I come off, call them thick like dumpling. Bad man out and stunting. Tell her boy this is the blood clot song. Bad man out and stunting. Style them thick like dumpling. So, everybody take piece of fight. Everybody take one look a piece. If you're a creator, big up style and virgin too, same way. You don't know, but I just know, say that style there, the deep voice song there, a fan business. And the melody where you're singing her, from here, certain melody I know, say, but I say, I'm never borrow over a certain thing, I just cut you. Because at the end of the day, I love the key. You see me, I say? And I guess that's what keep me alive is a good person that's in me. Fambo, I love dress up and I'm like, Warren Williams, nice person.
Nice person.
You understand? Because Fambo have an ego, oh, I mean do this, shit the f***. You understand? So, you have to know if you differentiate them. That's what I try to tell you about. At the end of the day, I'm just a good person, overall. I love people. I don't like people that suffer, I don't like people hungry. I don't like but it's the main thing, you have to secure yourself first, dog. Before you even think about help other people. Or worry about what I am to them, dog. You see me? Because the music gave me rough. But I tell the man, it's not like when you work a while and you're sure say, you will get a paycheck every week. No. Days and months, you're dead like dog. You understand? But you have in your account, and I'm like, yo. You have to just do music business, and that's the key thing.
Right.
Because what you say on Chad and you there.
Who?
Chad.
Yeah, Chad.
I like him run the place and over years and hold something. Hold for song him up and hold for producer. But that boy can't ramp it in. Can make sure do music business.
Do the business part, I
You
think.
see me and say me have a paper.
A song we kind of show me back. Well, the Blood Clot song kind of show me back to a song you did earlier in the journey. John got there. For the Buster beat. Big
Right.
tune that again, bro.
Big tune. All right, this is one big tune, eh? Big tune that have General Degree that have a song. Say, show her the pianist.
Right.
General Degree, I want to have baddest artists that
Show that.
Yo, Jamaica people, them that music beat that nice. Them that nice. You know, yo, music, corrupt, dog. You just say, corruption! Music corrupt, you know?
So me I hear, bro.
So yeah, you
So me I learn.
Corrupt more than drugs, man.
Corrupt more than drugs.
Corrupt more than
You
drugs.
did tell me your Billy song, man. You know, done. You tell me, say, Alpha. She want the pianist.
Yeah, Big John go there.
Big
Yeah,
tune,
them
bro.
Come on me, yeah, they see there. My verse is not part of them. If you hear the verse, Tap in as for me if you got to me, they go say, first name of John, then my surname I go there. Everywhere me walk, girl, I ball out how there. Me take my share from a boyfriend load there. Girl, them send no one a Salaman gun there. Salaman I put him out, down where come there. 7 days a week, John go there, come there. John go there, all Sunday and Monday, girl, come on me yard, you see there. Rebel I broke for mad thing, man. Mad thing.
The catalog, well, you tell me say you do over 4,000 songs, but separated and apart from the 4,000 songs, you know, the catalog of hit song. Big, bro.
Yeah, it's big and it's small, see me. Because look at a man like Capleton catalog.
Right.
Look at Scissor catalog.
Beanie.
Look at Beanie catalog.
Bounty.
Terrible. So you still have to do.
The big but the small, see you
Big but it's small.
Yeah, easy right you. In after the Blood Clot song, you did your first album, Evolve, Uprise.
Yeah, but that Blood Clot song was the first single on that album.
Right, the first single on the album. That album, when it was released, peaked at number 2 on the reggae Billboard chart.
Yes, sir.
Congratulations, man.
Yeah, man.
Enough man, so them a do album both yard.
See,
I never they youth them by.
all right, so basically what we do too with that, you know, we actually, when we got the club there, we sell them. The club, like the people who buy them at the club, the clubs are registered and they are signed to the sound scan business.
Oh. I see the mats.
All right.
I see the mats.
So when you understand? So you can go out and promote your stuff and rare.
And it still come back
yeah,
around
the clubs
too.
that you perform in have to be in the association and we
See register.
Yeah. Because they say, all right, we sell 30 that night here. I will sell 40 that night here, so everything add up. Just like how you see Bling Dog are doing thing. In the album and I sell it and
Right.
doing thing.
So that was good
Good. For the numbers.
for the numbers.
That same you name Styles producer.
So, right.
Yeah.
Blaze.
Yeah, man. He's an artist, you know.
Right. I know him
I
do some
understand.
music, man.
I have enough music, man.
Enough music.
Enough music. I just do 2 videos with him over there. On him new album when I come out.
So am I still management?
No, man. No, I'm done with that.
I'm done with that.
So then I have nothing to do with me. I'm an artist.
Yeah.
I do him one thing, man.
Oh, okay.
So, congrats, and make him do him thing and rate it.
Yes. In the time that in between the alcohol and the gambling and the other things, there was a time that you flirted with Freemasonry.
No, man, never. But just talk it.
You just talk it.
You just talk it. But
You never really had
no,
truly.
you're a rich like that, but you can't poor man in that. 1 second, don't move. No poor man in that, man. You never know. No poor man in
That's
that.
a poor one that I'm here, sir.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Poor man, I go. What's that?
You say, and you never really too flirt with it, you just talk it. But you never buy a ring, man.
No, man. Just wear them something. Anybody can buy them something in New York or Miami. You understand the ring?
There's a ring. But yeah, I never done serious.
No, because when we find out how serious it was,
You know what I would
and
do?
I nothing for run joke with. Because people who are Freemasons don't come and say they are Freemasons.
It's a secret society, brother.
So when you come, Freemason. When I tell them, I say, eat me, I say,
Yeah?
no, you have a talented.
Yeah, for that for true. But yeah, that brother from
None
2 days come.
There's nothing. There's no overman that can check out a St. Thomas or Portland.
Make your bus.
Make your bus. You can't do that. Give me a lot of
You have to find the song, bro.
It have in you. Nothing of them something there. But all people, I say about people sacrifice people for bus and I don't know about that. Maybe it is. It's out there, but
You don't know
I
about
don't
it.
know about it, Daddy.
At the tune in the latter stage of tune, like after the album, I think Raven and Flair, them tune like do well as well out there in the
Yeah,
streets.
do good, but never get
Most of overseas,
Next song was How We Living. What do you mean?
how we
Gucci
living,
Man.
right?
White
Right,
Man.
Gucci Man. How that song that come about?
You know, say,
That remix there.
I produced the rhythm for White God, Virginia and Corey. And then, like me produce the rhythm, he's the executive producer, like so. So say, Busy Vice for the rhythm, he would have paid Busy an advance for the artist to record, and he would pay Chris Martin an advance, also Bounty Killer and Bean Man and stuff. So I'm the one who goes to them and deal with them personally.
Oh, okay.
So I'm just, so I go to the studio and record them, so I am the producer, but I'm not the executive
producer. And then you have to spend the money.
No. I just bridging me and do something. So, and then, we go to Miami, and I'm saying, to do a remix and go to them a show and we go down there and him girl, me, Gucci, and him say, yeah, me do the song and then we do the video and that was it.
See, video, brother, sound like that girl, me say about that.
Terrible.
Good experience that I get, bro.
Yeah, man. I live life, man.
You live life.
I live
You
life.
live life or you living life?
Living life.
You're living life.
But
That is good, man.
live a good life.
You live a good life too. Despite them look up
You know,
blots there.
Yeah, a man can't just dip on one eye.
You have to step back down to step up back sometime.
Yeah. Whatever song we say, sometimes you got to lose to win again. That sometimes to win again. You know that song there? You got to lose to win again.
Yeah, you mentioned Jody earlier, though, as manager.
Yeah, Joel Dixon.
There was a situation with you and Jody where the split was a bit acrimonious. Yeah.
Acrimonious. Why they different? Why they,
What that mean?
Yeah.
It kind of bad, so I like. No?
half and half.
Half and half.
So, basically, it's like, she sometimes she'll tell me, so yo, I saw the thing go Fambo and me I say, boy, Joe, and I saw it gone. Better me listen to her.
Oh, okay.
You understand? Because she rough, you know, as a woman, you know. And me know, me nice to people.
Mm.
Not that she's not nice to people, but she just said, yo, fam, you can't do this like, you're at, and you want to, when you get a rhythm for voice, you want to everybody with your voice, pan the rhythm around you. You want to go out at night time, you spend liquor with everybody. You have show, go do a foreign. You have the promoter them get ticket for your friend them and rare. Not that it's bad, but she just say, yo, just please, like,
Focus on you.
can you focus on you and just low people a little bit and kind of strengthen up yourself, dog. And I was like, boy, and rare, and then it just, you know, rare had an apartment, he lose it, had a car, he lose it, you know, and then my bank account got the bank locked down my bank account. I used to have an account with Scotia. And she helped me still. You understand? It's just, but sometimes a man know, I don't know. Sometimes people don't want anybody help them, follow them own mind. And really feel like say, you know too much, you understand what I say? And you fall back into the same trap, and the same thing again. Because two of the worst things in the world is to die and or being broke.
It's just all that come out, you know. It's
Yeah.
to die and to be broke.
To be broke. You don't want
Worst
to be
thing.
broke. You understand? Imagine you walk and say you want a patty, and a turns and you can't buy it. Turns off your patty. You never want to think about the drinks. You understand? So, it's good to experience stuff, though, on you.
Right.
Experience stuff. And I think that I've given more than I've got. Like, me help enough people.
Blessing I go forward back around one of them.
You did it, man. You did it. I've helped a lot of people. And I'm not too complain.
Right.
Just go through it and say, oh, there are better days. Shall I leave it now? We'll do it, because you did them short.
This Life with My Father is another hit song in our journey.
It's again. Murder.
And most recently, Do the Bobby's Murder.
I tell you. Murder. Man, always a come up with something. Man, always a come up with
Always a
something.
come with something. Always creative for true, brother.
Always find something teach them. Always I try to find something.
Between 94 and now, always turn up.
Always. If we could have, so let's say if we could have document this now, and Netflix could have called you and said them and give you 2.5 million US, and they want the Fambo interview. Good food, me have that in my pocket. I have to carry one paper for me sign it, because Netflix I'm going to put it different.
Yeah, man. Different thing. I would have signed it, brother. I would have signed it, man.
What I do for the business, I like it still, I like the vibe and the energy. People always say to me, yo,
Oh, you're not the teacher,
why not the teacher, man? I mean, I say, when teacher...
At time, because, brother, you know, say, when I interview with Beanie Man, if you take your number by day, brother, come by the day studio.
Yo, Beanie Man thing is so different. So you have to do the work.
But everything take time, man.
Everything takes time, man. And that's why I show you as an artist now. You have to have patience.
Right.
Some artists say, oh, boy, teacher, not real, man. Come on, dude.
Yeah, pretty enough man say that to still.
Yeah,
but the timing, bro.
It's timing. It's that I have to work with the stories that will make sense.
Right.
You have to work with the stories that will make sense.
See, so you say you've been a wait, but you didn't wait your turn.
I have to wait your turn.
I just timing, man.
Yeah,
I right timing, man. I today I right there, man.
Yeah, man, my bridge, they watch it, my bridge, they watch it.
I appreciate the support,
Everything,
man. I appreciate the support.
I did one youth at Canada, you know. You know, nice. And the man say, yo, when you go do teach them? I say, when teach them ready, teach them, I let me come and teach them. You understand?
Yeah, man.
The
Come with the book of all about, man.
Yeah, man, the time was right and a good vibes and good energy, man.
Yeah, man. Real meds, man. Real
I'm
meds.
about 10 minutes late still.
You started out as a Rasta.
Yeah, who tell you? But we never understand it.
You never understand it.
Because it's a very technical thing, you know. For me, Rastafari is the next closest thing to being spiritual and so holy. It's like Christianity.
Is that religion, man?
It's not normal, man. No normal, so.
See, I underestimate the thing, bro.
Yeah, because through my young and my hot, some of just, my ear just start not up and me start rust. I'm not business, right? Because I make money, I'm crazy, but you don't understand Rastafari business, what it is and the work we're behind it, like how Capleton and because first of all, to be a Rasta man, you have to say Selassie is God.
Right.
We couldn't tell my mother that. You check out this, I throw me out the house.
Yeah.
You understand? So, because that's one of the most important thing about being a Rasta man. To be a real Rasta,
Selassie is God.
Mother would have killed me.
When you cut the ear?
I can't remember the
year.
Let's cut it here, man. But we didn't atras them time there, you know.
Yeah, the atras.
Yeah, man. We first I take the cap and shoot through the Rasta part, you know, so.
Yeah.
And tight and rear and the cap. Let me arrest my hat, man. Atras. See, active the atras.
Are you first atras? Yeah, they easy, brother.
Oh, life is fun and it's painful and it's good.
Yeah.
If you live life, because life is everything.
Why so many tattoos, though?
Yo, you just he's bored.
Craig get bored regular though, bro, man.
No, I'm not bored, but it's person who is in the used to, you know. Because it's a rebellious thing, you know. But you understand? So this I know, when I have my father.
Guitar.
I have a name in it.
Oh, okay.
You know what I say? And I say beach here, I say, oh. So I watch him come from.
Watch it.
On the beach.
On the beach,
you know what I say?
Yeah.
So, and this is the future, this is the first one I have, Troubles.
Troubles.
But you know, and see liquor back there, where you drink. The one I know the Taurus.
Oh, the bowl.
Yeah, I know we decorate it with little rose and you usually do that one I know. When just he never catch it right, because if it goes so they ask me if I work with Air Jamaica, I never catch it right. You understand?
We understand, man.
And then they catch back them two up as well.
Yeah.
I stop, man. I have a neck and bow yourself. Before even all vibes of tattoo, man.
Yeah, I do the coloring book thing.
Long time. But is a thing with us. We don't even know if we call it like it's a part of you. You understand? And as an artist, you have to have some form of imagery.
Alright.
You know what I say? Although you know, so we don't worship no false image and them stuff there. But you have to have a look.
Yes.
You see me?
Outstanding records. So you're a label.
Yeah. Now my birthday name is Spragalexus.
Spragalexus.
Yeah.
It's still active?
Yeah, man, active, man.
You have any artists on the label at the moment?
Advice Jade Face on it.
Okay.
I'm advice couple artists on it and stuff. I'm advice myself, man.
Right.
Never really push it like that still, you know. But the label is still active. I go down by what the place name over there? I go them do the publishing or something. And stuff. So.
ASCAP?
No, man. One where they are told right there, so right Topside Stadium right there. So.
Oh, I know away now, I remember the name now still.
I know one place wedding there, so.
Right.
The wedding across the road.
Okay. You go register your thing?
No, it's there. Just
it's
went
there.
to see that it's still active.
Okay, cool now, man.
The label
cool.
is still active. You see, if you run a label and stuff and them stuff, you need paper.
Right.
You have books to the time, artists come from country, you have to give him back fair, buy him food, do all type of...
Yeah, do the thing the right way.
Yeah,
if you're going to do it.
Yeah, music is not easy, you know?
So you say, push at that time. You say that more time than that, me say rich brother. So.
It's not easy, man. It's not easy.
It's not easy. But you have been able to, despite the ups and downs, keep grounded throughout the years and still remain relevant, brother. Cause some man, them find some hit songs on the road and them just fade away. As we say, you always find something.
Mr. Man, we just believe in a studio. You have to just believe in going to studio and always do something. I'm going to run a long time, man. I'm going to run a long time running. Because no country in them I get on a visa for.
No country in them on a visa for?
I'm clean.
You're clean.
Meaning like,
yeah, man,
it's not a troublemaker,
right.
You understand?
You're not on a record, brother.
I got only device in records.
Only device in records.
You understand? But I'm not a troublemaker, like, to deal with trouble and then mash up your stuff and in a trouble and you can't fly, you can't do nothing. You know? We try to keep it on the good side. As
best side, man.
As best as I. We can be car. You can't go on Baltimore, man. You can't go on Baltimore and be on video. So boy, no.
Yeah.
Hey, boy.
Yeah. I just said that because it sounds like you've been everywhere to work.
You go a couple
Go a couple places as well.
Everywhere, but you go a couple places.
Is there somewhere where you've been to work where you just love that energy more than anywhere else?
Maddest place in Japan, man.
Japan.
You're mad. Yeah, karate, man.
Kung Fu, man.
First time in Japan.
You got woman.
Murder, man.
Murder.
People that say, Uncle, one artist, Mr. Come and say, go harder than you and a tiger.
Tiger.
Because you know we had jump and run up and climb up and jump on this man. But no insurance, don't go there. No insurance.
Don't go up there.
Climb up and then whip a blood clots.
Yeah, man. So Japan energy nice.
Yeah, man. But a long time, I'm sure I keep a Japan like, the Japanese, they just start keep their own stuff now, sir.
Okay, you have beer bands and artists across Japan and all, man. Is there anywhere where the man not go work yet, though?
I never got Dubai.
Dubai.
I never got China. I never got Egypt. Whole of a place, man. Whole of a place.
So you don't want to go around them places one of them time?
Then a whole of a money around them places, man. Because where money coming like now, coming like a money I got nowadays.
Yeah.
The way people wicked. Yeah, man. It's like just money, everything on money, dog.
Looking at the journey, bro. Zane, what would you say up to this point, between 94 and now, when you look upon it, you're proud? It make you feel proud, musically speaking.
I'm humbled, man. I'm humbled. So, I know some really I do something, and it really makes sense because teach them not enough time for this. Because they feel like me, I'm a good time on my yard. I forgot, it have to make sense.
Right.
It have to be something what it have meaning, it have a cause or something. So this is today it comes where when teach them do an interview with an artist, it shows that you have clout. You understand? So every artist would have loved to do an interview with you.
I would have hoped so.
No, it is. Anybody don't want to do an interview with you, them not a sense, because this is the revolution of what used to happen in the business, and you as a youth now, you just we feel like is and your thing edit proper, your thing and you set up everything on YouTube whatsoever, and you put it's like, I can tell you this. When I spoke to you, the lady that called, before I went away there and came back, you know. I was in Orlando to do the tour for there, you know.
Oh, okay, yeah.
And today the interview is the 20 what? The 21st?
Today what day? The 18th.
The 18th.
Yeah.
So this is not everything why I came back, but this is one of the main reasons why I came back.
I appreciate that, bro.
For this interview, because you know why? Because it had a notch to your stuff. You understand? It's a next height in the music too. Yeah, because teach them the interview.
So you're pretty, bro?
No, you're not interview go artist. Your thing is out there. When say walk next to them and say famous, and say no, I'm not. It's a program that's famous.
The program famous.
You understand what I say? So
yeah, man.
Your thing out there, so just like how you that call me and say, boy, you're Fambo, you do the work out there, you do this and that. I have to appreciate that you did the work because it doesn't just happen in one day. Something you have to do.
I appreciate that, bro.
Appreciate it.
I just sit down and listen here and I really appreciate the things that we just said.
Me can't talk about myself alone. That is the only problem, and the only problem that people always have with me. I would not just take all the credit I will give other people credit.
That means a lot, bro. For a man who has done such great works down the years, with a catalogue as yours, with hits on their belt as yours, with a name as yours, to say that. We really appreciate that, brother.
True,
I am
man.
humbled by that. In a
I'm
real life.
I'm humble.
We love that, man.
Yeah, man, you do it, man.
Right.
You do it.
Me I do it.
Yeah, do it.
Yeah, me I do it.
And people into your thing.
Yeah, man. We really appreciate
that.
that.
Jamaica watch it like that. But it's
Overseas.
When you reach the airport and pass the airport, teach them well. You understand?
Yeah, man. Is there anything musically where Fambo can achieve it when hope to add that to?
Well, pass it, man.
Well, pass it.
Because you don't know Grammy.
Yeah. But you don't make no album Fambo, man. Now one album and a evolve, man, then you expect to win Grammy and make an album, bro.
So a 6-song coffee will win Grammy.
It's an EP. Yeah.
You have enough EP?
You have enough EP? Mm-hmm. Okay. Fair enough, sir. Fair enough. But we say that, fine.
And it's crazy.
So we expect some Grammy, some album work.
Yeah, it's crazy when you're a DJ. It's like you don't get to do a lot of album, like you have more album with
singers. Which is true.
You understand?
Which is true. But why? We're not going to the studio go for
that album just come out already. How long will that a DJ?
Long time. Long time.
And still I wait for Bunty last album.
Right.
They still I wait for Beanie last
album. King of Kings and Beanie one, yes.
I'm going alone, man. There you go. I'm alone. You understand? Yeah, some artists are mega successful. And they put in a lot of work to make it there, like Sean Paul.
Right. See him with Scotch album out there now.
You feel like he does, because a whole lot of work him have to put in. So, and cause him mix Indian and the word, people not necessarily have to like him. Are your music people
music.
You see it, you have to big up you like even Buju Banton too. Cause it's not an easy road. You'll never stop saying that.
Yeah.
Enough to the glamour and the glitter and the gold. You understand?
Think a better rose.
No.
Who feels it knows.
Who feels it knows. It's not a better rose. I just whole part work, man, and whole part things still left to do. People see me themselves and say, Fambo, you still a DJ? I say, yeah. Wow, so you got
what kind of question is that, though?
The music, you can't stop and go work at Mega Mart or something. Wouldn't mind if I could have work at Mega Mart and pack some bag and get that money. It's like they're survive, but somebody going to say, Fambo, put me back. See them with the pocket.
And that never was everything we want.
You understand? Because I just do what I do energy and I just thank God that we just survive. Survival is the key.
That's important, man. Looking at the journey, is there anything where the DJ they do differently if him get the chance to redo the musical journey?
Save more of my money. And give it less. I keep the rest. Yeah.
Save more, give it less, and keep the rest.
I don't want to lie down at my beach house and stuff. I'm a big cigar, my Cuban hat, and call me down. Come on, puppy! Come, boys! And feed the pigeon them. A joke. But, you know, when the day come, I mean, I'm going to get to talk. Sit down side I'm in heaven. Or sit down side I'm foot, you know? Let me explain for him. And most of all thing I want to artists is just try to learn more. Try to be around interested people that who are educated and people who could help you to balance and guide you. Because at that time we had no guidance and we just
so wild. Young youth, young and wild.
You know good. Young and wild and spoiled.
Young and wild and spoiled.
You see the thing? Hey, God love me, the man gave man so much chance.
Many?
Yeah, he gave him enough chance. Like, I know the angel man whisper in God ears. I say, yo, boy, Fambo, you just make sure you make him hit back again. Allow him, man. And I make King and Josh them run the place. And God I say, give him a minute, him soon find back something. Because God, in the heart, him know, say,
yeah, good youth.
Him have a good heart. You had a good heart. Everybody has up ways. Even your woman, you have ways.
True.
Even your kids too.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, your kids, you will spend money and grow them around and then get big and say, oh, you never done it for me. That's why Bridget said, if you date that woman, first thing you must buy her is a command pin. So when you're left, she say, Oh, boy, never give me not of a command pin. Say you a command pin. Let's have to do my own talk. Everywhere I go, people say me them. Fambo, talk your mind. And the baddest program. When you run your joke, them and bag or something.
Right.
But we just know, I mean, if somebody like you know, we have a video camera and have stuff, and we still and make a documentary.
Right.
But that's not. I'm a recording artist.
Right.
Some of them better going to the blogging and the Instagram thing and the way. Everybody has a star on Instagram.
Right.
You have 1 million followers, you're a star. But not ask which song you sing again. I come and say, yo, we have book future Fambo. You know, ask which song you sing. How much follow I have on Instagram? I might say 1 million. I say, book him. I say, how much follow I have? 5,000. Nah,
work out. So
I just like, it's your just like your stuff right now. Because you have to edit the stuff, then put them together. And you have good views. And what you do and when you put out the story there, it good for me. It put me out there. So, bam, I was show at LA the 3rd of July. I was show and then come from LA, go to New York, and go to Trinidad the 22nd till the 29th, and I was show Tampa the 30th.
You're out there, bro, man.
I do me look stuff there, man.
Yeah, man. For the people that out there who want to get in touch with Fambo, especially for bookings and dub plates, how they find you?
All right, for booking is teach them. You know, below. You see there's something here?
Yeah.
You laugh. So anytime me lose that, you're dead.
True.
Any day me think say like, oh, you can't tell.
Yeah, man.
Dead, you're dead. The joy the way having you. So, for Instagram, Future Fambo, FUTURFAMB IZZLE. And you know for booking, like, call Miss Violet, Andrew Powell. You know what I say? And I'm not going to give him a number, like.
So, Violet or Andrew and a number, you remember off the top of your head?
Yeah, but them have the, at Andrew Powell.
Okay.
Or you have Carol Link, Miss Violet.
Okay.
You understand? And you can link, you don't know, Outstanding Record. Big up Neil Pearl. You don't know, Sprague Lexus. That I'm a real G, real brother. For them youth there right now. You don't know. So, I'm mad love to man. Cross the board.
Yeah.
Don't know, Sean Peasy.
Yeah.
God no business.
God. What more successful song in your catalogue, financially speaking?
It's the Roman Red Bull.
Roman Red Bull.
It's the Roman Red Bull. But you know it's a sheer entity. You understand? I don't know if you can't forget to say whether which part. On a rock. With a Dutty rock. You understand? Watch out for the Scotcher.
Scotcher. Mad. You have done collaborations with Mavado, with Gucci Man, with Sean Paul, with Wayne Marshall, Tifa, the works. I think Beanie Man and Tinga Stewart have a thing. All of you or something like that. Yeah, and John Holt have tune.
Yeah.
You and the Maniac Rhythm there. We just start about the song.
Trevor Daly.
Zane. You and Killer have tune, Beanie, and thing. Is there anybody where the man no work with collaboratively, who you don't mind going to the studio one day go match up and rhythm with?
Enough artists, but it's artists. You come like me some more and do a song with Skeng. But now happen. Me too hot, what the fuck them I go? Alright, more do a song with Joshua. What the fuck them I go?
Joshua, we do the song, man.
You never know that.
Joshua see you like a cool youth.
Yeah? Yeah, but I'm like say.
Yeah, I understand my answer, man.
I one different something. You know,
yes, we don't
I want
understand.
different tingling in their brain. The fun them I get them all self I can tell them about and them eat about 60 already and talk about it. Because remember, you know, when the artist do the combination with you and it's hot, it eventually makes you hot.
So, but what? An next man hot?
Yeah, but no, it's not everybody want you to be hot. In game, we just say, you game corrupt. You game corrupt.
Yeah.
Me go for I don't know. I don't know want to do a song with you. Bang! Bang, bang, boom, in that. All right, what do you think me not keep my birthday bash in a stage show? Me every artist I love every artist, but just to deal with them. All right, I want you on my show the 24th of April. I tell you, listen now. What you keep it? Someone stay at James Bond Beach Hotel in a Montego.
I said me recommendation.
I want Pringles and them stuff now. I only need some water name. Fiji water. And the people that deal like dog shit, right? Shoot till they show there. Cause I keep a show. I don't want to beg nobody. I beg God, give me long life. I don't want to go beg no artist about no combination. Yeah, two artists want to do combination with them dead. Bob Marley and Tupac, be good. Me do my song by myself. Cause I don't need a free ride. I'm talented. God bless me with that. You understand, teach them?
Yeah,
it's just like you go for JBC. Oh, I want you to put my program on your platform. You kidding me? I would not have Elon going to ride on them something. You understand what I say?
Right.
Nobody's gonna do nothing for you. So we don't go out looking for nobody to do anything for us.
Self-reliance.
You never know. If you were depending on other people to bust you, you're not rich nowhere. They don't want to see you make it. People, yeah, man, I mean, them bad mind and them wicked. Nobody not like you, nobody don't want to see you have nothing in life. No man don't want to teach them how to drive a bad 600 Benz and Rary. I'm an AC cool up in my G-Wagon. And when I walk my fridge door, I juice, I drop out, I base up, man, I have a shoe beat me. Nobody no business, I got alone care about you. And I have some individuals still. I still have a couple of friends in the business. We love me, see me, and treat me good. And deal with you. But it's not everybody. Because enough artists we know from when them just start, when they're nobody. And when they come from, show them the rope and show them love. Hey, you know, them turn big star like you, spit in their face. Cold to you know. Not just regular spit now. Spit slimy one. So,
yeah.
So, that's cool on me.
Me I get the message of the lesson, bro. I listen to you.
Yeah, man. Nobody not gonna want to see you make it. And nobody not gonna want to see you on top. Remember, son, nobody help teach them, you know. No, you help yourself. Man, I know so. Go in on my van, drive, come put up my camera there, man, way. But you still have people out there, bad man. Yeah, man said to me this morning when they interview me, all the views him up on YouTube, I make money. You understand? But me no matter. If what them want, because I show you how people still teach them.
Yeah.
So what is he saying to me? He's like, oh, you might be, nigga. And that's what I tell you, say, when you have me on your platform, I'm humble, I'm feel good. Because
sentiments are mutual, bro.
It makes sense.
You see me?
It makes sense, brother, man.
What the man favorite rhythm?
Rhythm?
Yeah.
Man, I got favorite singer. Favorite rhythm, any rhythm I have a song pan.
Any rhythm I have a song pan.
That makes sense. That makes sense, because I really...
No, but like when I go up on the stage, you know, more time the rhythm that drop.
No, man, I don't know that. I play the rhythm when my voice pan. The rhythm when my song pan. You understand? Yeah, some man just love go up on stage.
Give me a put on. Give me an answer. Give me a short time.
Yeah, them rhythm, all of them are great.
Give me broke out.
Great rhythm. Broke out is one of the baddest one out there with them too. Because anybody can sing on it. We have to just come to terms with life and just know say, yo, people will always be people. And we have to do what we do for this. Because this interview that I do with you, it can catapult me to a next level too. Because probably you don't even know who watch it. Come on and say, oh, I don't book them. And I say, yo, Future Fambo art. And I say, lie, you know, teach them interview with you. You understand what I say, sister? So, the minute they say, I have you in my program, all right. But 3 things will come back for. My son's birthday, Liam, is the 27th. Your interview is the 18th. And something else. I never come back to Jamaica. People treat better America more than I treat by Jamaica.
Yeah?
I kill people, Jamaican people want to kill. I'm going to push it down the supermarket and I ask you, Fambo, you still a DJ? Which part you work now? Yo, the people that are nice, you know. But I'm going to learn, you see the good way you do, dog? You see the good way you do? And good help. I remember there see we teach them. You hear what time say? Rich again. Rich again, rich. Because I help so much people. You see, I never help nobody. They like dog.
I'm glad they help everyone.
I say make enough artists. Go through where I go through. With them. Then they like dog. Nobody not help them. Nobody know help them. But people will help Fambo because you know what? I talk to the madman. I talk to the man who have nowhere to sleep. I talk to the mad woman. I talk to the pregnant woman. I talk to the man who sell cashew, the bag juice man. Yeah.
Everybody.
Yeah, I don't think me
better than nobody.
No, but you know, people think that he's special because he can go on the stage and he can sing and he can dance and make people happy. And I'm humbled. I love, tell us somebody love me, I don't hate me. Some people don't like themselves, right?
Yeah, man.
They love me.
They love you.
Yes, I.
How many youths?
I have 3 sons and 1 daughter.
Cool.
3 sons. Rakim, Stefan, and Liam, and Jada, my daughter, 1 daughter. I don't want to see more people.
Family is married?
Family. Not with a ring, but
okay.
Aftermarket.
But you live in?
It living long time. But I think that's part of the thing that saved me too.
Oh.
You know what I say?
Some structure and order to
yeah,
your
I live
thing.
with my woman and my youth and remember saying, over the years, King them just talk about Mali, you know.
Mali?
Yeah, a long time we know about Mali, we know about excessive. So like alcohol alone and gambling and we know the whole flunger, we know cocaine, we know the whole thing. I stay away from drugs and alcohol because I gateway to hell. So we know about it. We know about all of them. I never do crack and I never do heroin, but I know about
But you know the rest of them?
Yes. Personally. You understand? So, I'm a champion, man.
I see that, brother.
I'm a champion, man. I'm a man. I'm not afraid to talk. I'm going to go around. I'm going to say real. I'm going to say the real vibes and the real energy. Yes, I come out this man and tell like that. But so once we start talking.
But I say, hold on, we tired, brother. I want to sleep. And different. And that me I tell you, say, yo, no matter how tired, we couldn't jump asleep because of the energy and the vibes.
Yeah, human being, man.
Mad thing, man.
God love you, man. Prepare a piece now, everything for you, you know?
Yeah.
And if you tell you, I work on an album.
Right. I'm glad to hear that, man.
Producer, EP for Dirty Rock.
Dirty Rock.
Yeah, come me and Sean are bridging from board. 92, 93.
93.
So 94.
Before you even bust, bro.
Yeah, so we know him a long time. You know, the people that say, oh, no, see, anybody will show me respect.
Sure.
I remember saying, I've been up and I've been down. And them youth there, have always did it for your dog. So what you could do? How you not show them
Just show love and respect.
You have to show them respect.
Fair enough, bro. All right, way that
Much
man.
as to if you like, I could have sit down in about 2 hours and read, and reason and read and thing and stand. If you like them, go pass that there, you know?
Yeah, what pass that there.
You understand?
Yeah.
And then give you the students a rare. Could I have son out there, burn up?
So it's an album in the making?
Yeah, man, about 14 tracks that I sit there.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
You name it yet?
No, man. We
not select on title
we
yet.
mix none like that and and stuff.
But the voice put on already?
Yeah. Once you want to order some food for we eat before we leave?
I really silly now. I sleep, I go sleep right now. I'm tired.
You good?
I said she's tired. No, man, we're good, man. We're about that, bro.
No.
See, we appreciate that, though.
No, man. I
appreciate that, man. We appreciate that, but you know what I think?
Why me never, I see you look at them out there, you know, put them on the table, you know, so you know, so we don't advertise them, we flip stick.
Right. No, man, that's simple thing that, bro, man. I can't love said way, man. We just wrap up here one thing and thing. Is there anything where families love enough other than music when we then do for feed them family if it wasn't music?
Originally, it's a waiter, you know.
Okay.
Because when I say, we come from Ochi.
Ochi busy.
My brother work on ship.
Right.
So you have to get a job in another line there. In the tourist industry.
Yeah, man.
To make money. So I went to Adam's Catering
You know Adam's,
School.
man.
Adam's Catering School?
Brother, when I say I watch you grew up, brother.
We are named Williams too?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, okay, man.
We know Adams bro, man.
Adams catering school?
Yes, sir.
Yes, I just have to go and learn waiter work. So I'm a professional waiter.
Waiter.
So anybody who needs a celebrity waiter
Yeah, available.
at your wedding or birthday party.
Bro, before we forget, which song in the catalog you vibe most to? The one there you go to song when you're quiet time or you drive or you just have meds. Your song.
Yeah, man, this life, and the baddest
This
song
life.
ever do. This life, the life that we live in, the people we meet. People say they care, but they never yet there. So many have, but they never yet share. Strive for your goals and don't be scared. Remember the days when I lived nowhere, Lord, spare my life and give me strength so I can feed my kids and pay my rent. My baby mother thought I was cheating. I was so innocent life. Love that song there.
Featured Mavado.
Yes, sir.
This
My
song.
water upon the remix.
Pan the remix, right?
Yeah. And the song did it.
Right before that.
Yeah, for Unga them.
Unga. Bro G, it's a joy, man.
Respect,
I
man.
really and truly appreciate it, man.
Williams,
Williams, man. Sentan, man, to Sentan, man.
I said that I go for you too much, man.
We bought a St. Mary, brother, but the teenage years before we go college, a Sentan.
That's why as a boy I say, you see it, you got college. So you feel like you
He's a trained teacher, man.
Yeah, man, the intellect, man. To deal with. All right. What marks do you give me? Even though I didn't went to a high school.
9 out of 10. Brother, you go secondary, man. I tell you, say the guy high school, man. You go Ochesek. You see me?
True, man.
True. Bro, give thanks.
Man love, man respect.
You do it, brother.
Yeah, man.
You have done it. And you continue to do it.
Continue to
And
do
as
it.
we say, Fambo always find something, brother.
Always.
Like pull a rabbit out of your hat. Always like a magician, brother.
Quick cook, big up.
Quick cook. Yeah, face murder.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Got straight to it, you know? You don't know the world full 100. Go right through, man. Big up all of my friends, them, all of my enemies, them. I don't really have no enemies still. I'm not sure.
Yeah, man.
But I'm mad love, I don't know.
And we're happy that, you know, the gambling, the alcohol business, all of them little things, you overcome them, the drugs as you
Yeah,
mentioned.
And
you have
the
managed to.
Clothing.
And the clothing. You have managed, we see you used to wear some Louis Vuitton
Yeah.
thing over here, they sit there.
Dear,
Then
why
dear.
I live with that 4 bills for one?
4 bills.
That was the scarf.
The scarf, right.
That's not, we can't find them. But after you wait for certain time, we're going to do this, is that? We are doing it. After you wear our shows 10 times, we're going to do it.
Wear it 11 times, don't feel about.
No, I want to tell you, I give you about 36 shows. I tell you, them.
I'm glad that the man managed to overcome, brother. And the thing
yeah.
balance out, and you still do the work.
That's
and we
right.
appreciate the man's contribution to the music, bro.
Thank you, man.
You do it, man.
Thank you, man. Yeah, man. I appreciate it.
You do it. Is everything okay publishing royalty-wise with Fambo?
Well, I have a publishing deal that I've signed right now, but it could have been better, and it can be better. So, we're not going to make a sugarcoat nothing, make everybody feel like, oh, rare. It's one of the most important things in an artist's career, is publishing. And your rights. You're publishing and your rights. Every young artist, make sure you're publishing right and everything right. You understand? Because to go up and come down, it's not an easy road because it's harder to get up back. Yeah.
The second going up always harder than the first
And
one.
the third one and the fourth one. So when you're on the top, it seems like everything is okay. You never know.
Make use of it.
Make use of it.
Give thanks, as I said, bro.
Respect.
It's a joy, and I write a bit up, brother. I love the energy and the vibration.
But then I say,
I appreciate the honesty, bro.
no, honestly, your interview in a schedule. I'm back at some. All right. I have some baggers. I'll know me not talk, so I'll sit there now. Because if I can talk it, a problem.
Yeah.
Yes! Because the business, they are some wicked night business. And the booking agent, them corrupt. And the whole of them is be corruption that you know, just say, corruption.
Anything you're not comfortable with talk, no talk, man. I saw you think, man, when I press and force.
All right.
You understand what I'm saying?
Everything is everything, man.
Mad thing.
Teach them, make a message reach them. Watch them and I don't know so future Fambies I represent for teach them, you know. So when Hong Kong me born and a China me live I teach them originate the movie business, interview business. Watch them and they don't know the thing of future Fambies I represent for teach them, make the message reach them. Teach them. Bless, you don't know. Man, I'm drinking rum and Red Bull. Teach them program must fall. Teach them, I don't know the thing. Girl, them come on me yard, you see there? Remember broke fight. Mad. Bobby's murder. Brand new dance is how I murder. Let me see everybody here do the Bobby's murder. So teach them.
Man. Bad thing, broski.
Respect that.
Heart I love, man.
Yeah, man.
Heart I love, bro.
Yes,
Mad
sir.
thing.
Teach them. Hey, yo, yellow. Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them.